Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about a life-saving application, Google Drive Backup and Sync. If you've ever needed a file but left it on a different computer, or if you are working on something and your computer dies, you know the feeling of needing a file when you don't have it. Google Drive and Sync allows you to have all your files on all your computers wherever you are. To download it, just look up Google Drive Backup and Sync and click on the first link. Once you downloaded it, you'll first have to sign into the Google account which you primarily use for your Google Drive. Then, choose which folders from your computer will be uploaded onto Google Drive. And the last thing you need to do is have the option to automatically download everything or some things from your Google Drive onto your computer. I have this turned off, but it could be very useful depending on your circumstances. Once it's all done, your computer is going to start uploading everything to your Google Drive. When you log onto Google Drive, you'll notice a computer section. With this section, no matter what computer you're on, you can now view and edit your files when you need them. That's all for today. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.